Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can record a Zoom meeting in Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Android mobile phone, and first of all, I'm going to create new meeting on my Zoom meeting application. I'm going to open up this Zoom meeting and I'm going to create new meeting. Wait, I'm going to start a virtual meeting on this Zoom meeting application. And then in the Zoom meeting for mobile phone, there is no need to record the Zoom meeting. But don't worry, guys, because we can still record the meeting even though there is no option to record the Zoom meeting. If you want to record the Zoom meeting, you can use screen recorder on your Android mobile phone. Usually, you just need to go to your quick setting panel, and then the screen recorder will appear right here. If the screen recorder icon doesn't appear on your quick setting panel, you can go to your setting and you can try to add the screen recorder to your quick setting panel. My phone is Samsung Galaxy phone, so if I want to make the screen recorder appear right here, I just need to click on this edit icon and then I will be able to edit the quick setting panel right here. Click on the edit and then we can add the screen recorder to the quick setting panel. And we can simply click on the screen recorder to start the recording. But if you don't have screen recorder on your Android mobile phone, I recommend you to go to your Play Store and then you are going to download screen recorder application. You can go to the search menu and then I would like to recommend you this application, X Recorder. Okay, you can download the screen recorder application on your Android mobile phone. As you can see, guys, I have downloaded this application and now I'm using this application to record my screen. You just need to click on open and you can start the recording. Okay, and if you want to start the recording, you can click on this button. You can open up your Zoom meeting, and usually the recording button will appear on your quick setting panel. So you just need to press the recording button. Okay, that's so easy, right? Okay, guys, and that's all the way to record a Zoom meeting on Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video, guys.